Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add your house on Google Maps. For that, first off you need to open Google Maps. It is suggested that you go into satellite view for a clear view of your area. So we're going to tap on this layers icon over here. Tap on satellite. Now you can see your area in satellite view. Now we're going to head over to contribute. And now you're going to locate the area in which you need to add your house. So for now I'm going to pick a random location. We're going to head over to contribute, tap on add place. Here you need to tap on edit map location to get the exact location. You can zoom in and zoom out, and you can pan and move the pin to your desired location. Once it's set, you can tap on OK. Here you can add the name of the place. For now I'm going to name it as house. As it is a house, we're going to tap on residential, and you can select your desired option from here. For now I'm going to tap on housing society. After you've done this, you can tap on submit. After you've submitted it, Google Maps is going to review your submission and add it onto Google Maps within 24 hours. For any further questions, please feel free to comment down below.